The art of giving step-by-step directions in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're focusing on the all-important skill of giving directions. Specifically, we'll be exploring the structure of giving step-by-step instructions. By the end of this video, you'll feel more comfortable in guiding someone from point A to point B in English. Before we get into the fun of role-playing, it's crucial to understand what we mean by step-by-step instructions. These are the detailed directions you provide to help someone accomplish a task or reach a destination, broken down into individual steps. A crucial part of these instructions involves using sequence words like first, then, after that, and finally, to clarify the order of the steps. Now let's dig a bit deeper into sequence words. When giving step-by-step instructions, these words are your best friends. First sets the starting point. For example, first, go to the end of the street. Then is used to mention the next step, as in, then, turn right at the bakery. After that, allows us to add more steps, for instance, after that, cross the big square. And, finally, signals the last step. For example, finally, you will see the museum on your left. Remember, these words make your instructions easier to follow by providing a clear sequence of actions. It's time for some practice. Let's imagine a couple of situations where you'll need to give step-by-step instructions. Scenario 1. The lost tourist. Imagine a tourist has approached you and asked for directions to the local museum. Here's how you might guide them. First, walk straight down this road until you see a big park. Then, turn left at the park and walk until you reach a roundabout. After that, take the second exit off the roundabout. You'll pass a large supermarket on your right. Finally, take the next right, and you'll see the museum right in front of you. Scenario 2. Guiding a friend to your house. Now, think about guiding a friend to your house from the train station. First, exit the station and turn right. Then, walk for about 5 minutes until you see a coffee shop. After that, turn left at the coffee shop and go straight for 2 blocks. Finally, turn right, and my house is the third one on the left. These scenarios give you an idea of how to construct clear, detailed directions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try creating your own scenarios to practice. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. I hope this makes you feel more confident about giving step-by-step instructions in English. Remember, the key elements are being clear, detailed, and making good use of sequence words. Keep practicing, and soon giving directions will be second nature to you. Until next time, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson.